Over at this stage. Gone. Good catch. Really good catch. We're going to go downtown. Skabaz, and that is a... Got him. That's a beauty. That's certainly started around middle half, and he'll hit that off stump hard. That's a clean up job. Ever there was He's claiming the catch. Runs quickly. Dragging on the onside. Might be out. Is out. What a catch. It's another brilliant catch. Oh, that's a slow one. And he does for 80-second goal. This time he goes square. Only a single.